हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 12 में से क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the age of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. That is cube and that is solid. Their radius equals to length equals to age of a cube. Diameter equals to length L equals to A. So R equals to L upon 2. Area of a solid. Area of a solid equals to total surface area of a cube plus curved surface area of a hemisphere minus area of a base hemisphere. That is 6a square. Total surface of a cube equals to plus curved surface area of a hemisphere equals to 2 pi r square and base equals to minus pi r square. So 6a square plus pi r square. A there is a L, so this will be 6 L square plus pi r equals to L by 2, that is whole square. So 6L square plus pi L square upon 4. L is common, L square is common, so 6 plus pi upon 4. Take LCM. 4, 6 4 is 24 plus pi. So L square upon 4, 24 plus pi, it's our area. That is our answer. Next question number 5. Question number 6. Question number 6. A medicine capsule in the shape of a cylinder with a 2 hemisphere stuck over each of its ends. 2 hemisphere. The length of the entire capsule is a 14 mm. That is 14 mm. And the diameter is a 5 mm. Find its surface area. Diameter equals to 5 mm. So radius will be 5 by 2, that equals to 2.5 mm. Total length is 14 mm. So height of a capsule will be 14 minus, because both sides are a hemisphere, so 2.5 plus 2.5 equals to 9 mm. Now area of a cylinder, area of a capsule, that equals to curved surface area of a cylinder plus 2 hemisphere. Curved surface area 2 pi r h plus 2 into 2 pi r square. 2 pi r is common, h plus 2r. 2 into 22 upon 7, r equals to 5 by 2. H there is 9 plus 2 into r equals to 5 by 2. 2 से 2 cancel, 22 upon 7 into 5. 9 plus 5 equals to 14. So 22 upon 7 into 5 into 14. 7 2s are 14, 5 2s are 10, that equals to 220 meter square. So area of a millimeter square. So area of a capsule is 220 millimeter square. That is our answer. Next question, question number 7. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. That is a tent which is the shape of a cylinder and surmounted by a conical top. If the height of the diameter of the cylinder part are 2.1 meter and a 4 meter respectively, the height is 2.1 meter and the diameter is a 4 meter. And the slant height of the top is a 2.8, that is 2.8 meter. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of 500 per meter square. There is a height of a cylinder is 2.1 meter. Diameter is a 4 meter. So radius will be 4 upon 2, that will be 2 meter, and slant height equals to 2.8 meter. So area of a tent equals to curved surface area of a cylinder plus curved surface area of a cone. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Curved surface area of a cone is a pi r L. The pi r is common. So 2H plus L. 22 upon 7. R is 2. 2 into height is 2.1 plus 2.8. So 22 upon 7 into 2 into 4.2 plus 2.8. The 44 upon 7 into 7. 7 sevens are cancelled. 7 meter square. So area of a tent is that is 44 meter square. Sorry, area of a tent is 44 meter square. Cost of a 1 meter square tent, that equals to tent canvas, that equals to 500 rupees. So cost of a 44 meter square tent canvas is 500 into 44, that will be 22,000 rupees. So answer is area is 44 meter square and cost is 22,000 rupees. Next question, question number 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is a 2.4 centimeter and diameter is a 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. From a that is a cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and the diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height. A conical cavity is same height is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. This will also, the height is 2.4 centimeter, radius is 1.4 upon 2, that equals to 0.7 centimeter. L is not given, so L is equals to under root r square plus h square. R is 0.7 and h is 2.4 square. So this will be 0.49 plus 5.76 equals to 6.25. So L will be 2.5 centimeter. Area of a remaining solid is equals to curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of a cylinder plus pi r square. Curved surface area of a cone equals to pi r L plus curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h plus pi r square. Pi r common, L plus 2h plus r. So this will be 22 upon 7, r equals to 0.7, L equals to 2.5 plus 2 into 2.4 plus 0.7. Point cancel, 7 cancel, 22 upon 10, 2.5 plus 4.8 plus 0.7. So 22 upon 10 into that equals to 8. 8 2 ja 16, 8 2 ja 16, 17.6 centimeter square, and nearest 10 will be 18 centimeter square. So area of a remaining solid to the nearest centimeter is 18 centimeter square. That is our answer. Next question, question number 9. A wooden article was made by scooping out of a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. This type. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter, that is 10 centimeter, and its a base is our radius is a 3.5 centimeter. Base is 3.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of a article. So total surface area equals to curved surface area of a cylinder plus 2 curved surface area, that is a 1, and that next is 2 curved surface area of a hemisphere. Curved surface area with 2 pi r h plus 2 into 2 pi r square. 2 pi r is common, so h plus 2r. 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 3.5, h is 10 plus 2 into 3.5. Point cancel, 10, 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, cancel, this is equals to 22. 10 plus 7, 22 into 17, this equals to 374 centimeter square. So area of a wooden article was 374 centimeter square. This is our answer. Thank you.